Welcome back to the Blue Dragon mining channel. Today we've got a special unboxing.
I go.
Hey, so we got in the mail today a package from someone I interacted with on Twitter with another in the mining community. So Lauren's Crypto Corner sent us this package. Let me get the size here. Alright, we need help, Daddy?
Yeah.
Let's see. Alright, blade away. Let's see what it is.
Oh.
Oh. Got some stickers too. Bitcoin pizza. Bitcoin revolution. And to the moon. Oh, yeah, one more. Bitcoin to the moon. Oh, I found another one. Sweet. Actually, makes more sense to look at it that way. Alright, here we go. Oh, we even got another one. Two more. Oh, sweet. That is awesome. Alright. Oh, careful, careful.
What's this
Careful, careful, careful. Hold on, buddy. So, Daddy's going to cut the tape very carefully using. Hold on. Should be able to slide it out. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, hold on. I need it's a little bit caught. Should be able to slide it out. Oh, look at that. This is a Gigabyte brand.
What?
And let me show you how you can read these, buddy. So you know how. On the back is a serial number. And this says, what's that? What's the letter right here? It's after the GV, because I believe it refers to Gigabyte. But you see the R. What's the next letter?
X.
What's the next?
F.
5.
8.
8. 0. This is referring to an RX 580. And over here, this classification 8G is referring to 8 gigabytes. So this is a 580 8 gigabyte model. We're going to this week install this into our rig that's mining Ethereum.
I want to leave.
You want to leave? You want to go back? Alright, thanks for your help. Always fun. So here you can see where we put in the 6800 from the last video, XT, and the new power supply. And now we've got the 580 in and 8 gigs. So I'm going to take this one right here, the 3070, and put it in the other rig and split the flight sheet in Hive OS to mine Ethereum and put the 580 in here. But I also want to experiment because I didn't get this working last time I tried it, but I think I know what I did wrong. And I've got a 560 down here, 4 gig model. I'm going to get that back in and operational, and this will be a full rig at that point. So that's what I'm going to do with the boys. And I've also got to I got a different power supply that I'm going to put out there to add on to what's currently out there when I move the 3070 over. So let's go check on that. All right, so out here you can currently see this hasn't changed since the last time I've shown it with the cards in there. So what I'm going to do is put the 3070 in on this one and bring the secondary. I have to get a second power supply out here. I've got a 850 watt one. Currently this has got a 750 watt PSU one with the breakout board, and then I'm going to add I have an 850 watt one, and what I'll probably do is take a little, one of these, probably the other 3070, take that load off of the 750, and so I'll have the two 3070s on the it's an ATX power supply. So that's what I'll probably do. I've got one more splitter, or what do they call it, the ATX plug-in that will allow you to combine two power supplies. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'll get that done with the kids. Also, update on the 30 amp breakers coming out. I've got the bid in. I'm working on getting that finalized with the electrician, and hopefully we'll be able to get that done in the next month or so, depending on schedule. So that's what's going on so far with that as well. All right, so. All right, you ready to do this, buddy? You ready to do this? You're not? Okay.
I'm watching it. No, I'm waiting.
You're ready now? All right, let's do this. All right, we're going to swap out this card right here, this 3070, and we're going to put in this 580 that we got. All right,
and what's this one?
Oh, that's a 560 Daddy pulled out that I think we can get working this time. Hey, just leave that part alone. Hey, guys, stop.
What? This is just hiding these.
Whoa, Eli, wait. Buddy, what was that? Was that there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, hold on. We're not ready for that yet. Let's get this disconnected. Eli, do you need a book?
And no.
Stop.
What?
All right, I gotta disconnect the power cables.
What are you doing with this?
Whoa. Hey, don't touch that. Eli, wait. Oliver, do you want to help unscrew this?
Okay.
This right here. You do it. You turn it. Daddy will just hold it. Eli, can you? Okay. Eli, can you?
It in.
Wait. I have to pull this out.
What is this stuff? Where's all this stuff? What is all this stuff?
This one's being a little bit. Let's see if I get a better handle on this. Make sure this is all the way open. Yeah. There we go. Hey. All right, hold on. Eli, don't mess with that, please. All right, Daddy's gonna cover this up. Wait. Yep. So, as you can see, Daddy took that cover off of one, slid it onto here, and that's to protect this right here. This is the most important part of it. Eli, don't touch that. And then Daddy's gonna slide this off camera over here up high. Don't mess with the computer. Come here. Are you gonna help?
Yeah.
You wanna help?
Yeah.
You wanna help? All right,
Put it in.
Oliver. Here we go. We're gonna put this 580 in. This 580 8 gig.
I'll put it in.
All right.
It doesn't matter.
You ready to help Daddy? Hold on. Line it up. Do you see how the line up? Eli, be careful. Oh, here we go. And then slide that in. There we go. Eli, don't play with the buttons. Now, if you remember, what does Daddy do before we work on the rigs?
I don't know.
turn the power off and disconnect the cables.
Cable?
Yeah. Eli, don't play with the buttons. All right, Oliver, come here. Help secure this in. Oh, let's get it.
Why didn't I?
Come on. All right, secure it. Yeah, that's right. Oh, good job. You tightened that good. Yeah, well, that's an older one that Daddy had. Daddy had taken it out of the rigs. Daddy had trouble getting it to work with the configuration before. However, Daddy's done a little research. I think I can get this 4 gig model working again in mining, which would be great. Won't get much, but that's better than nothing. And it doesn't really take that much juice on this. Eli, leave that alone. Stop. Please do not touch that. So Daddy's gonna look. Daddy's putting this in right here. So here's the 560 I've got. Eli. Oliver, thank you for putting that back on. Eli, come over here. Help Daddy. Guys, help Daddy.
Okay, I will help.
All right, look.
What?
All right, so Daddy's. Wait. Let's make sure this is all. Oop, this isn't open all the way. That's part of the problem. There we go. Now it's open.
I want to.
Wait. Oh, hey, guys, very careful. There's transistors on here that can be broken off. So look, this is very delicate.
I don't want to do it.
Here, help Daddy. No, push it. There you go. What? You did it. Daddy didn't push it. You pushed.
I wanted to do that.
Now, it hasn't been clicked in yet. Push it in. There you go. You got it secured. High five. Eli, please stop turning off the equipment. Get over here, Eli. Thank you, Oliver. Oh, guys, stop messing with the equipment.
Yeah, I stopped messing with the equipment.
No, the screwdriver is not for you to play with.
Enough. There's 2 offs.
Yes, there's 2 different. One's the power, and one's a mode that it can go into for that. Eli? Come here, buddy. Come here. No. Do you want to help screw this in?
Yeah. Me.
Okay. Please stop touching the motherboard. Okay, hold on. Are you going to be tall enough?
Yeah.
You're going to be tall enough to do this? Okay, hold on. Listen. Let Daddy start it, and then I'll have you screw it in.
I want to do it too. I want it.
Hold on. Oh. All right, let Daddy start this. I think this one's going to be a little bit tricky. Guys, stop pressing the buttons. Eli, please stop. This is what I'm dealing with. All right, guys, come over here. Eli, stop doing. I need a different screw. Hey, whoa. Don't mess with that. Don't mess with that. Wait. I have an idea. Come here. Here. Oh, no, sir. Listen.
You never ever stick any metal objects, screwdrivers, or anything into power supplies. That's very dangerous. Even if they're disconnected, they could possibly, listen, they could possibly have a surge in them. What do they call it? Do you see you two guys? You see guys on the screen? Give Daddy 1 moment to swap out the screws.
Daddy, what do you have?
I think this one will work better.
What?
Maybe. Okay. That's secured. So, we got that, those 2 cards in. So we have the new 580 we got in the other day. It was nicely donated. Gift. Oh, are you okay? You tripped over Daddy's foot. Daddy's got a big foot for you to trip over. Don't touch the keyboard. Daddy. Oh, that's, hey. Oh! Oliver, careful. Oh. Oh, this is less of a lesson and more of a... Oliver, careful. Alright, so all we have left to do is connect the power cords up to this one and then put one into the riser, because this one does not have a separate power supply to plug into, because it pulls less than 75 watts. Oh, no! Whoa! No, you don't touch that, guys. Guys, that will cause a lot of problems for Daddy. You don't mess with that. The backup power supply, which powers some of the equipment, is on their touching list. Okay, guys. Alright, so we're going to wrap this up. I'm not sure. I think this is more of a wrangling session than it is a teaching session. That's all we can hope for, isn't it? Oh, buddy. Hi. Hi. Oliver, careful. That's low hanging. All right. Eli, say bye. Come here and say bye.
Bye.
We're gonna do the rest off camera. Bye bye.
Bye.
Oliver, you wanna say bye?
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
So as you can see on this flight sheet here from HiveOS, was able to get the cards running and able to get that 560 running. It's hashing at 12.47 mega hash on the Ethereum mining Ethereum Classic using the Team Red miner, and then was able to get the 580, the new 580 8 gig running. I got that one to 32.87 mega hash, and that is running with the others using NB miner on the Ethereum hash rate. So I got a total on this rig of 218.4 on the Ethereum hash, and then 12.47 on the Ethereum Classic. So that's where we're at on this rig right now, and probably stay that way for a while until things change. So if you have any, if you'd like to donate any cards, we'll be happy to put them to use. Also, I'll probably do a separate video, but I don't have any broken cards yet. Hopefully mine don't break, but you know, eventually it will happen. I really wanted to do some repair work with Oliver. So if you happen to have a card that has a broken fan, or maybe needs thermal throttling, and you don't want it, send it to us. We'll fix it and then put it to good use. Address is in the description below if you want to do something like that. And if you like this material, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. We'd be happy to see any comments below if you like this type of stuff. And that's it for this one. Catch you in the next video. Bye.